बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स, आपके पेपर के बाकी पार्ट 3 के लिए आई एम प्रेजेंट एंड आई विल स्टार्ट एक्सप्लेनिंग solution of this paper from question 8. In this question he has given a diagram which is like a rectangle, and in the rectangle he has not given the dimensions, so he is asking you about the things. This is the figure, you can read the question carefully. So he is asking for the value of CP. So this is rectangle, so he has given you the value of DP, that is 4, so CP will be x minus 4. Again, in the part B, CQ, prove that CQ is equals to 80 over x minus 4. Area of the rectangle is given, that is 80. So subtract the area of triangle from we will apply the formula for the area of rectangle. AB multiplied by BC is equals to 80, BC is equals to 80 over x, so CQ is equals to 80 over x minus 4 shown. Next, in this he is asking to prove that the area of the shaded region is y centimeter square. Prove that y is equal to 32 plus 2x plus 160 over this. So this is the shaded part, this is the shaded part, this is the shaded part. So subtract the area of triangle from the area of the rectangle, so you will get, after working you will get the equation which is shown. Now in the second D part of this question, he has given you a table for this equation. Y is equals to 32 plus 2x plus 160 over x. So in this where the x is 60, the value is required, so by putting the values we will get y is equals to 74. The next part of this is use your graph to find the minimum possible shaded area. So minimum is the point where your curve turns. So this is the minimum value of the volume. So opposite this you will read the value, that will be 67.4. Now in the next part of the question paper, this is question 9. Question 9, he has given you a triangle, dimensions are written over there. So first he is asking to prove that the angle BAC is equals to 44.0 degrees. So by applying cosine rule, so this will be proved using calculator and working, so you will get BAC is equals to 44. Now calculate the bearing of A from C. So in this you can see the two lines, both the norths are parallel, so 125 plus 44 will be the alternative angle 169, 180 plus 169 will be the bearing, so final answer will be 349 degrees. Now C part of this question, in this from A and from B are joined by a straight track AB. Amira walks along the track from A to BC at a constant speed of 46.5 or 4.6 kilometers per hour. Calculate the time it takes from Amira to walk from A to the point that is closest to the point C. So in this we will make a right angle triangle, because when he asks for the shortest distance, so we draw the perpendicular from that point to the opposite side. So this will make a right angle triangle. From C we will draw the perpendicular to the opposite line. This may, let us suppose this point is D. So you will get a triangle ADC. So first we will calculate the distance shortest distance, this one CD, by using ratio cos 45 is equals to AD over 520. So AD is equals to 374, D is equals time is equals to distance over speed. So this is in meters, convert meters in kilometers, so speed is in kilometers per hour. So your answer will be 0.813 hours, but he is asking for minutes and seconds. So multiply by 60 those to this value, so your answer will be 4 minutes and 53 seconds. In the next part, very much technical part है. Helicopter hovers vertically above from B. The angle of elevation of the helicopter from A to A is 10.7 degrees. तो A से B के ऊपर आपने first you will make the triangle H is the helicopter. So H, so you will get the height of the helicopter using this angle of elevation. So 10.7, H is equals to 179.5. In the second part of the question, he is asking calculate the angle of elevation of the helicopter from C. So you will make a triangle ABC. ABC, this is C. So using 10, angle will be 14.78, 14.78 or 14.8. Now, in the question 10, he has given a grid where a line is drawn, line L is drawn, and there are the points P and Q lies on the line. So he is asking for the distance PQ. So you will take the points P from the grid P and Q, use distance formula here. So you will get the length PQ, that is 7.28. Show that the equation of the line L is 3y plus x is equals to 1. So take two exact points on the line. One is 1 0 and I think the other is 2 1. So using these 2 points, minus 2 1, so you will get y is equal, first you will find gradient minus 1 over 3, y is equals to minus over 3. So we put the points, you will get C. So by working, you will get 3y plus x is equals to 1, shown, proved. Last part of this paper, let's say C part of the question. The perpendicular, the line M is perpendicular to the line L and passes through the point P. Find the equation of the line M. So equation of perpendicular is y is equals to minus 1 over mx plus c, where m is minus 1 over 3. Put in here y is equals to minus 1 over minus 1 over 3, the y is equals to 3x plus c. Put the point P in the equation. You will get c is equals to 15. Your equation will be y equals to 3x plus 15. That's it, students. That's all for this paper. Hope you will view this paper and you will tell me your precious valuable comments to me for further improvement or for my appreciation. Thanks a lot. Allah Hafiz to my students as well my dear friends who are viewers and subscribers of this video. Allah Hafiz.